55.
55.
Yeah, I would say 55. Boy, that looks so good. Color matching the rim, right? Yeah.
Now this is
Oh, it says
awesome.
56. Okay.
The gold highlights with the gray interior with the
Ah.
rims matching. Like there's not even a drip of exhaust fumes on the tips,
But it's probably straight from the
right?
the restorer. Boy,
This had a sunroof back in the day.
yeah, they're rolled. They're not obviously just a manual.
I mean, still better than zero.
Yeah. Oh no, it's big too, and it gets a lot of air in there because these cars don't get that much air in the cabin. So it's nice to be able to get the air flow.
Interesting that they have a cover on the engine, right? Like,
Yeah, I think they got rid of that. 57, 58. I think that went away.
how much do you think this is going for right now? Look at the interior.
This is a restoration. This is getting ready to take it to Pebble in 3 weeks.
I'm actually going up to Pebble.
Yeah,
You going?
I'm gonna try.
You won't believe who.
I'm gonna try this year.
You won't believe who/how I'm going up there with.
I got an inside track for some quail tickets.
I have an inside track with Ferrari.
For quail?
Not Ferrari, the dealership. Ferrari.
Well, they always have an event. Ferrari has an event.
918 Martini spec. Gorgeous. Morning, how's it going? Beautiful Alpine in blue.
So this talk about rare.
Which one are you taking between the Jag and the Porsche?
Well,
I know you're a German guy.
Yeah, but if this is an actual Carrera engine car,
How would you check?
well, then you got to take this because it's the engine alone is worth 400 grand.
Really?
Yeah, let's see.
Morning, sir. How you doing? Good?
Yep, it is. Oh, so this is real.
How do you know?
Well, take a look inside. And that's not your typical Porsche engine. You see that? It's a 4-cam.
What?
Yeah. So basically they made a racing engine in the 50s, and this is where the original Carrera came from. The idea that Carrera.
So between this one and the other blue one that you showed me over there, which one is more?
This one is more valuable because the engine itself is
Really?
so expensive. Yeah.
Out of the deal, man. Morning. How you doing, sir?
How's it going?
That's a good news, sir.
You got it. You got all the news.
Hey, take a look at these beauties, man.
Oh yeah, doesn't get much better.
You can imagine back in days you pulling up in this.
Oh man.
Jeez. You get all the fair ladies.
Kip always remember your team.
Oh, this is Kip pull up in this?
That's
Oh,
Kip's it.
wow, stunning.
Yeah. No, you could eat all this stuff.
Crazy.
You can pretty much see that this is a 4-cam.
What?
It's a 4-cam. It's in there, right? So
Have you seen the Ferrari over there?
they've got the grill, so it's open there, so you allow for even more. Plus the
Ben-
louver deck lid, right? So there's a lot
I
of
love when cars do this.
opportunities.
I love when they do
well,
the-
it's supposed to be the
straps.
racing version of the car, right? To keep it down at high speeds, so it doesn't